Have you ever paused to wonder if blogging, the very platform that once revolutionized online income, is now nothing more than an outdated relic? Today, I challenge that belief with a deep dive into the myths, shifts, and innovative strategies that are redefining blogging in our digital era. In the next 15 minutes, you'll discover not only the reasons why some claim blogging is dead, but also how savvy creators are transforming it into a modern money-making powerhouse. Stay with me as we break down the evolution, explore new tactics, and reveal practical steps you can start implementing right away. 1. The death of blogging? Why people think it's over. The narrative that blogging has lost its charm is everywhere. Critics argue that with the rise of social media and video platforms, traditional blogs have become obsolete. Many believe that audiences have shifted away from long-form content, favoring bite-sized, visually rich media instead. Yet, this perspective overlooks how the digital landscape evolves. Traditional blogging may seem to be in decline, but its core purpose, sharing knowledge and building trust, remains as powerful as ever. Many industry experts assert that when executed correctly, a blog is not only relevant but can be a robust foundation for financial success. Look at how some of the most respected finance influencers have transformed their blogs into diversified revenue hubs. They blend storytelling with actionable advice, using their platforms to drive engagement, build communities, and ultimately monetize through multiple channels. Their success challenges the myth that blogging is a dead art. In essence, the death of blogging theory is more myth than reality. By understanding the underlying shifts and adapting your approach, you can breathe new life into your online presence. Let's transition now to see how blogging has evolved over time. 2. The evolution of blogging, then versus now. Blogging started as a digital diary, a personal space to share thoughts and stories. Over the years, it morphed into a dynamic tool for information, community building, and revenue generation. Early bloggers were pioneers who laid the groundwork for today's online entrepreneurship. Fast forward to now, the landscape is more competitive and fast-paced, yet it offers endless possibilities for innovation. Modern blogs integrate multimedia elements, interactive content, and even live sessions. They've adapted to the changing algorithms and consumer behavior, proving that evolution is key to longevity. Consider how many successful blogs now resemble mini digital magazines. They combine expert analysis, polished design, and user-friendly navigation to captivate audiences. This evolution has not only broadened the scope of topics but also enhanced the ways bloggers monetize their craft, from affiliate marketing to exclusive memberships. The evolution of blogging underscores the importance of adaptation. By embracing new tools and methodologies, you can keep your content fresh and engaging. With this understanding, let's explore whether you can still profit from blogging in today's market. 3. Can you still make money blogging in 2025? Despite claims to the contrary, profitable blogging is far from a lost cause. In 2025, many creators continue to build lucrative platforms by aligning quality content with strategic monetization. The key is not just in writing, it's about understanding your audience and delivering consistent value. Today's bloggers use advanced analytics, niche targeting, and creative storytelling to connect with readers. They combine SEO, social media promotion, and email marketing to drive traffic. Real-world examples abound where bloggers have built substantial income streams, proving that opportunities are ripe if you're willing to adapt. Take the case of a finance blog that started as a passion project and evolved into a multi-channel brand. By integrating expert advice, personal narratives, and practical investment tips, this creator turned a humble blog into a full-fledged business. Their journey illustrates that with dedication and the right approach, financial success is attainable. The future of blogging lies in continuous innovation. Even as digital habits change, the demand for insightful, authentic content remains strong. With the right strategies, you too can capture a slice of this thriving market. Now, let's delve into the specific strategies that are working today. 4. What actually works? The best monetization strategies today. Successful monetization isn't about one magic trick, it's about combining multiple income streams tailored to your audience. Today, bloggers are leveraging affiliate marketing, sponsored content, digital product sales, and even exclusive memberships to generate revenue. The secret lies in creating genuine value that resonates with your readers. For instance, affiliate marketing can be incredibly effective if you choose products that truly benefit your audience. By offering honest reviews and real-life examples, you build trust while earning commissions. Sponsored posts, when transparently executed, add another layer of credibility and financial return. Digital products like ebooks, courses, and webinars have emerged as powerful tools to monetize your expertise. They offer scalable income opportunities, as they allow you to reach audiences far beyond your regular readership. Many top bloggers now incorporate these elements into their content mix, turning knowledge into tangible profit. Ultimately, the best strategies are those that align with your brand and audience. Experimentation, paired with analytics, helps you fine-tune your approach over time. As we move on, we'll uncover the common pitfalls that cause many blogs to falter and how you can avoid them. 5. The harsh truth: why most blogs fail. Behind every successful blog is a trail of failed attempts and hard lessons. Many blogs falter because they lack a clear strategy, consistency, or a deep understanding of their audience. It's not enough to publish content sporadically. Sustained growth requires planning, analysis, and relentless commitment. One common misstep is treating blogging like a hobby rather than a business. Without setting goals, creating a content calendar, and investing in quality production, even the best ideas can fall flat. Many creators underestimate the competitive nature of the digital world, where every post must earn its place among millions of others. Practical examples highlight that blogs often fail due to poor audience engagement. When content doesn't address the reader's pain points or interests, it becomes forgettable. Case studies show that successful blogs invest heavily in research, audience feedback, and iterative improvement factors that distinguish them from the rest. Recognizing these pitfalls is crucial. The failures of others serve as a roadmap for what not to do. By understanding and sidestepping these common errors, you set the stage for a resilient, profitable blog. Let's now explore how technological advancements are reshaping content strategies. 6. AI and SEO: how Google's algorithm is changing the game. In today's digital realm, artificial intelligence and ever-evolving search algorithms are reshaping how content is discovered and valued. Google's algorithm isn't static, it constantly updates to prioritize user experience, relevance, and quality. This means that staying ahead of SEO trends is no longer optional, it's essential. Advanced AI tools now help bloggers optimize content in real time, analyzing keyword density, readability, and engagement metrics. These insights empower creators to fine-tune their posts, ensuring they rank higher and reach the right audience. It's a blend of art and science that can significantly boost your blog's visibility. For example, many bloggers now use AI-powered platforms to conduct in-depth keyword research and competitor analysis. This technology helps pinpoint what topics are trending and where gaps exist. By tailoring your content to these insights, you enhance its appeal and improve its search ranking. Embracing these changes isn't about abandoning traditional methods, it's about evolving them. By integrating AI and modern SEO practices, you can stay ahead of the curve and secure a competitive edge. Next, we'll look at how you can make your blog truly stand out in this crowded marketplace. 7. The secret to standing out: how to build a money-making blog in 2025. Differentiation is the cornerstone of success in today's saturated blogosphere. To build a money-making blog, you must craft a unique identity that resonates with your niche. This starts by finding a distinct voice, tailoring your content, and creating a memorable brand experience for your readers. Successful blogs blend personal storytelling with expert advice. They share relatable experiences while offering actionable insights that meet the audience's specific needs. For instance, a finance blog might share a personal journey of overcoming debt while simultaneously teaching practical investment strategies, a blend that captivates and motivates. Moreover, visual branding and user-friendly design are crucial. From custom graphics to intuitive navigation, every element should reflect your unique identity and enhance the reader's experience. Authenticity is key. Your blog should feel like a trusted friend sharing invaluable advice, not a faceless corporation pushing generic content. Stand out by consistently delivering quality, original content that sparks conversation and inspires action. This combination of authenticity, design, and substance creates a compelling platform that not only attracts readers but also drives monetization. Let's now consider the timeline and expectations when building this kind of success. 8. How long does it take to make real money? And what to expect? One of the most common questions is, how long before I see real results? The answer isn't instant gratification. Building a profitable blog is a gradual process that requires patience, persistence, and continuous learning. Real income takes time to accumulate, but the journey is as valuable as the destination. Many successful bloggers will tell you that the first few months are all about experimentation, testing content, refining strategies, and slowly building trust with your audience. Early earnings might be modest, but they serve as a critical learning phase. Every post, every engagement helps refine your future tactics. Practical examples reveal that blogs can start earning noticeable income anywhere between 6 months to a couple of years. It all depends on your niche, the quality of your content, and how effectively you leverage marketing strategies. Consistent effort, coupled with strategic adjustments based on feedback, gradually builds momentum. Setting realistic expectations is vital. Instead of chasing overnight success, focus on incremental progress. Each new insight and small revenue stream is a step toward establishing a robust, long-term business. With that clarity, let's explore how your blog can evolve beyond just content. 9. Beyond blogging, turning your blog into a full business. A thriving blog is just the beginning. Many top creators transform their blogs into multifaceted businesses by diversifying their income streams. This might include launching online courses, consulting services, or even developing branded products. It's about leveraging the authority and audience trust built over time. The transition from blog to business requires a mindset shift. Instead of simply publishing posts, you start viewing each piece of content as part of a broader strategy. Your blog becomes a platform for community building, networking, and ultimately, creating various revenue channels. Think of it as building a digital ecosystem where every element reinforces the other. Practical demonstrations include case studies of bloggers who diversified by hosting webinars, creating exclusive membership areas, or selling digital guides. These additional offerings not only boost revenue but also deepen the relationship with your audience. The key is to identify opportunities that align with your expertise and your audience's needs. The evolution from a blog to a business is both challenging and rewarding. It requires strategic planning, investment in tools, and a willingness to experiment. When executed well, your blog can evolve into a comprehensive brand that offers endless monetization opportunities. Now we reach our final verdict on whether starting a blog today is still a smart move. 10. Final verdict. Should you start a blog today? After dissecting the myths, exploring real strategies, and learning from both failures and successes, the answer becomes clear: blogging is not dead, it's evolving. If you have passion, discipline, and a willingness to adapt, starting a blog today can be a powerful way to build wealth and share your expertise. This final chapter isn't just a summary, it's a call to action. Reflect on the insights shared, realize that every digital trend has its cycles, and understand that success lies in consistent effort and continuous learning. The blog that adapts is the blog that thrives. Consider this your invitation to take the plunge. Equip yourself with the right tools, strategies, and mindset, and transform your blog into a dynamic revenue engine. With authenticity and strategic planning, the opportunities are limitless. The journey of blogging is a marathon, not a sprint. Embrace the challenges, celebrate every small win, and know that your blog can evolve into a powerhouse if you commit wholeheartedly. Let's wrap up with some motivation to fuel your next steps. Every moment you hesitate is a missed opportunity for growth. Think about your dreams and imagine how every article, every post, can compound into real financial gains. Remember, success is built step by step. As you absorb these insights, feel empowered to act, innovate, and persist. Your future self will thank you for the choices you make today. Each day, Let your passion for creating meaningful content drive you forward. Embrace the challenges, learn from each setback, and celebrate every win, big or small. The journey to financial freedom is as much about mindset as it is about strategy. Thank you for staying with me on this deep dive into the world of blogging. I hope you now see that blogging isn't dead, it's evolving into something more dynamic and powerful than ever. Your journey may have just begun, and there's so much more to explore. Before you go, check out the description or the first pinned comment, where I dropped some useful links and exclusive recommendations just for you. And since you stayed until the end, YouTube has selected the perfect video for you to watch next. It's right there on screen. Let's keep this conversation going.